Hello, fellow residents of Jonesboro. You know very well that these are unusual times. Most of you are doing a great job of taking care of yourselves and your community by practicing the only measure we have to deter the spread of coronavirus. You are making sure you are staying 6 feet away from others, even loved ones. You are not gathering in groups of more than 10 in accordance with Governor Hutchinson's mandate. You are not shaking hands and hugging people, and you are washing your hands and sanitizing regularly. The rest of this message is not for you. It's for those who still don't get it. I drove through Craighead Forest Park on Thursday and witnessed scores of people who either do not understand the risk involved or simply do not care that they are endangering themselves and their loved ones. Apparently they think this cannot happen to them. I assure you that many of the 500,000 who came down with COVID-19 thought the same. Maybe they cannot realize that it would spread into a matter of days to another 500,000. Our parks are a great place for us to enjoy sunlight, nice weather, exercise, and even do appropriately visit in small groups, while keeping the prescribed distance 6 feet. Many cities, including several in Arkansas, have already closed their public parks to help prevent the spread of this deadly virus. As a mayor who appreciates the value of Craighead Forest Park, the Miracle League, and others, I do not want to close these facilities. But as of today, I am closing playground equipment in all of our parks. If we act responsible over the weekend, the city will not close the trails. I want our residents to get exercise, and Craighead Forest is designed expressly for exercise. No playground or pavilion shelter facilities will be available for public use because they do not provide proper distancing. As a Jonesboro resident who saw what was going on at the park posted on Facebook, you have one job. That job is to stay separate and not spread the virus. If we cannot be successful, then we will have to go to stringent measures, whatever is needed to best manage this period. Look, we all have worries. We all want to live like normal again. I get it. But understand me when I say this, we are only beginning to deal with the pandemic. Others are showing us what's ahead. Look at what Asia and Europe went through. Look at New York. That's our future, especially if we don't heed the warning. They are literally showing us what Jonesboro could and likely will be in the coming weeks. This virus has already killed tens of thousands. Many thousands more will die. I want Jonesboro to look back on this period and say, we did a good job. If some people don't do better, we won't be able to say anything other than goodbye to some loved ones. What a terrible thought. The city of Jonesboro is here for you, and we are your service. We know everyone is hurting because we're hurting. But my administration, all of our departments, from police and fire, parks and sanitation to other 16 departments, have served you, is working at night and day right now. We all love Jonesboro. We know you do too. Please act responsible. Please do not crowd together for any purpose. As the governor's mandate has taken effect, Jonesboro Police Department will strictly enforce keeping gatherings to 10 or less. As we gather more information, we will share it with you. In fact, Dr. Shane Spikes will address again this same issue on Monday. Until then, have a nice and responsible, safe weekend. Thank you, and God bless Jonesboro.